What does it mean to move in an Indian city, especially if you're physically disabled? According to the census of 2011, almost 2.2% of the total population in India are disabled in one form or the other. And we don't need data to tell us that our public spaces are not made for people with disabilities. Public transport can be especially difficult to use. But here's the good news. A Chennai-based company has designed a wheelchair with an emphasis on mobility and independence.
The question is this: how often do we see a wheelchair user at a school, at a college, at an office, at any place? They're not visible at all. The gap that we are trying to fill, can we make them visible at this location?
That's Swastik Das, one of the co-founders of NeoMotion, a company which is challenging the narrative surrounding the disability and spatial mobility through its wheelchair products. NeoMotion was founded in 2016 when Swastik returned to his alma mater IIT Madras after working for 2 years. But the seeds of the startup was founded much earlier.
In my final year project, while I was at IIT, I had worked with a professor whose name is Dr. Sujata Srinivasan, and she works in the field of products for physically challenged.
Because I found that really there was a gap. There were not really many appropriate devices available for people with locomotor disability. And therefore it made sense for me now to work with the students and to kind of motivate them to come up with some of these solutions.
The current lot of wheelchairs that are available in the market are one size fits for all.
Imagine if all of us start wearing shoes of size 12 or size 14. Yes, I'm wearing a shoe, but is it really useful? 95% of wheelchairs in India are like that. And what happens as a consequence of this? Your overall health deteriorates over time. Imagine if I'm sitting on a wheelchair, my posture is not well. So with time, I'll develop some complexity, some secondary complications will develop. Second, if it is not fitting me well, the overall propulsion, when I want to move it, is also restrictive in nature. And the image that comes to the person when you're sitting on a wheelchair. I'm on a wheelchair, the wheelchair is large and big. The focus is on the wheelchair and not on me. Lowers my self-esteem. I don't feel confident.
All this and more went into developing the two products of NeoMotion, the NeoFly and the NeoBolt. Both have been built taking the challenges of indoor and outdoor mobilities into consideration. NeoFly can be customized in 18 different ways to ensure a perfect fit as per the user's need. According to the startup, NeoFly covers 3 to 5 times more distance for every push owing to the right posture, rigid frame and ergonomic push rim compared to common wheelchairs. NeoBolt is a motor-powered clip-on which converts NeoFly into a battery-powered vehicle which can be taken on roads safely. It has a maximum speed of 25 km per hour and travels up to 30 km per charge. The company offers service to both these products so that they can be uniquely yours.
After the NeoFly coming, it has become very convenient because this is very sleek. It will fit in any car, even in the sleekest of the cars. When you are sitting on the wheelchair, the focus doesn't go on the handles at all. When you're sitting on a normal wheelchair, the handles are in such a high level. So when anyone comes, you're very noticeable that you're sitting on a wheelchair. Till now in this 37 years, whichever I went in the small lift, there the wheelchair would not go completely inside. I had to remove the footrest. But in this wheelchair, first time I had gone in a very narrow wheelchair, narrow lift without removing the footrest. I love this advantage the best.
I also drive a hand-operated car. I've modified it and I drive it. Now the problem with the car is, I go to the car, I transfer from wheelchair to car. I obviously can't stand. I use a wooden plank in between as a bridge, transfer. Then either I have to put the wheelchair in, which is a challenge. It takes time, 10-15 minutes, or I have to be dependent on somebody to help me put the wheelchair inside. However, what happens is NeoBolt negates all of these challenges. For me, when that air, kind of hit my face, that was like, true sign of freedom for me. Because car, you sit like as if you're sitting on a wheelchair and you're going. But to be able to, clip this on and ride, it's like driving the bike again. and it took me several years back. It was a feeling that was denied.
NeoMotion began selling its products only in November 2019 after spending more than 3 years over design, research and development and establishing a supply chain. Till date, over 150 NeoFly units have been sold across 20 states in India. NeoBolt is in pilot production and will be available in the market from September 2020.
Our first challenge is the education and awareness of a quality product. How many people actually know how to ask for a good wheelchair? The definition of a wheelchair is a chair with 4 wheels, which is very, very limiting in nature. Second, it's an extremely fragmented market. So yes, there are people, but how do we reach out to them? How do we deliver it to them? How do they get to know of us? Third, definitely, primarily India has been a donation market. All the wheelchairs that are sold, as high as 90% to 95% of them would be donated. And when it comes to donation, the end user is different, the person who is doing the purchase is different. And the metrics that are being measured over there is, this is the amount that is available with us. What is the maximum number of people that we can benefit? And when we apply such a metrics, lower the cost, better it is. Whether it works or not, that is very secondary.
The startup is being supported by multiple grants. Most of the design and development was supported by the Imprint India grant from the HRD Ministry and the Indian Council of Medical Research. The seed grant was provided by the IIT Madras and will grow. The startup was incubated in both these places. For the next 2 years, the startup will focus on expanding sales for NeoFly and NeoBolt.
Our goal is to empower users so that they can be dignified contributors to society. And with these products, we want to remove some of those barriers.
Do you think these wheelchairs can help people with disabilities to reclaim public spaces? Let us know in the comments.